Sorry I didn't finish filming the rest of the day today. We ended up leaving the water about noon. The motor wasn't starting. Turned out that there wasn't gas in it. It wasn't getting gas to the spark plug. Ended up pulling the spark plugs out, dumping some gas in there, and ended up firing. So after that we picked up real quick and got back in off the water. We got our one bird for the day. Later on this week, Friday, plan on going hunting again, and I did find a pile of teal, so hopefully we can get on a few more there. I do want to mention though, for those of you that don't know, teal hunting hours are completely different than regular season. Those people this morning that were shooting, got birds all over us this morning. There's some people over here in this field that are already shooting. 7:04 is legal shooting time today. It's about 6:40. 6:30. That's not the regular teal hunting hours. They'll actually pop them up on the screen here in Michigan. And that's just kind of an FYI. And the reason for that is probably because teal and wood duck seem very similar in size. So a little bit later starting time shooting light makes it a little bit easier for people to identify and actually see this bright blue wing here and not mistake it for a wood duck. So make sure you guys are actually checking your local times for when teal season hours are, and they may be different than regular season. Like I said, our next hunt will be on Friday, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.